Okay, um so welcome to another video. I know it's been a very long time since I updated this channel with a video, but you know I'm back with this one, and I believe we're going to get some good price action on Gbpusd. So I'm just going to um, run you guys through what I'm seeing using dealing range theory as always. Okay, and so from here on the monthly chart, I can mark this. I see this, from candle close to candle close, this high and then this low. Then we can see that at the 25 DRT level, price broke through, leaving this order block, this fair value gap, tapped into it, run away, and then at the 50% gap, which is the measuring gap, right? The measuring gap, price saw some retracement in there, came back, retesting the order block, the high of this order block, because this these two down close candles form the bullish order block, and so we trade above them, and then it becomes an order block, and so price trades into that. Then we see we move up, disrespecting this bearish fair value gap, right? So we trade into that fair value gap, we move up, and then this is where we are currently. Okay, so let me take this away. So at the moment we have formed this bullish order block where price is seeing some form of support, some support around, right? We have that bullish order block, and then as you can see, price has also swept liquidity below this point, and so moving into the lower time frame, going into the daily, what I see is this high, right? I just want to mark that up because of the time frame alignment. The reason why I skipped the weekly is because of time frame alignment, right? So monthly, then daily, monthly PDRE, daily market maker model, right? And so I see that high, and then this low. And let me reduce this a bit. I'm just trying to get it. Yeah, I got it. And then this low. So this low was formed inside of the PDRE, right? This low was formed inside of the PDRE. That's why I'm taking that low. And so I take the low, the high, I mark my fib from here to the low, right? And then we are good. So the reason why I'm seeing buys, some more buys on GU, even though at the moment we are selling, is because of this, right? Let me get the arrow out. It's because of this. So at the moment we have traded into the fair value gap, the order block, the monthly order block. We have displaced upwards, disrespecting this fair value gap here, this fair value gap right here, right? Displacing above this consecutively down closed candles, making this a bullish order block, right? And then on this side also, what I can see is this low, high, lower low, then higher high, by making this up close candles a bullish breaker. Okay, so let me just mark these out, and then you see. So here I have these up close candles as my bullish breaker. Okay, so that's my bullish breaker. Then I have this fair value gap inside, and then if you look at it carefully, you will realize that when price retraced into that fair value gap on the daily, it acted as support. Just this, when it was inverted, and then it returned into it. It acted as support for price to push price up, breaking to put price up, right? Supported price here, pushed price up, breaking above this bearish candle, forming what the order block. And then just here as well, we have this fair value gap on the daily, right? We have the fair value gap on the daily. Then in confluence with that, we have this inverted fair value gap. We have the breaker block here. Now we have the bullish fair value gap. And so what I anticipate is that price moves into this fair value gap, the breaker stays firm in here, and then this inverted fair value gap, we stay firm in here, and then we move up, clearing this pool of liquidity at the 50%, which is the measuring gap, and then moving all the way up to the 75 DRT level. Why? Because of this signature, this low resistance liquidity rate right here. Let me get that. No, not there. Let me get it. Because of the low resistance liquidity rate that that's been printed right here. This is what I see. Yes. This. Great. So this is exactly what I see. And so what I anticipate basically is that price trades lower into the fair value gap here, and then finds resistance there, support, and then begins to move up, taking out this liquidity, and then we've got this fair value gap here as well. Not here. Yeah. Let me return this to clear this. Then we have this fair value gap in premium above the 75 DRT level. So this is basically what I'm looking at with Gbpusd. My forecast going in. So this is a long-term thing. And then in intraday charts, you can look for buys within that range. Yeah. So that's what I'm looking at basically for GU. Okay, so that is it.